Woo. Oh my god, that's great.
That's super spicy. It's actually very good. This is spicy, but it's manageable.
Oh yeah, that's definitely the best one.
Oh, this is so good.
Nice. I love this.
Oh, that's that. Wow, that's my show.
That's what I call exponential spiciness. That's nice.
Oh,
I'm starting to feel that.
oh, I'm starting to feel spicy. Usually, when people say spicy, I'm very skeptical, but this is actually spicy. It's perfect level.
Super spicy. It's like incinerating my mouth. But I'm loving it.
Wow, that was good.
It's so good. I could make noodles at home, put this on it.
Yeah.
I could make rice at home, put this on it.
Just the white rice is good.
Right?
That's spicy.